Hey, I'm Matt, and this is my off-the-grid halfling house. Come on in. So this house gets covered in dirt and grass, helps the insulation. Nice small living room, enough space for a small bed. Our kitchen area. And we went with this Murphy door to kind of give us a more rustic look to the kitchen that would lead into the bathroom without having a really modern looking door. So this is coming to the bathroom, beautiful sink my wife picked out, and insane copper tub. My wife and I chose this house. We are obviously big Lord of the Rings fans. Had to have that round door, and then the sod going up on top of the house is definitely a contributing factor to that. So we're fully off-grid here. We're powered by solar. We have a well and a septic system, and so all of our needs come from right here. Well, thanks for checking out my Hobbit hole with me. I got a lot more to do to finish up here on time, so it was great for you all to come check this out with me, but I gotta go now. Thanks.